Hey there, I'm glad you are here because that means that you and I are going to have the chance to study together a language that I am genuinely in love with. So, my goal simply is to make you fall in love with it as well. My name is Imran, I am from Pakistan, and I am a very positive and dynamic person. And whatever it is that I do in my life, I do it with love and passion or not at all. And as you can already tell, I am a very outspoken person. So if you have problems speaking to people or maybe speaking in front of big crowds, then you are in the right place, my friend. I have participated in several public speaking contests and I have hosted some of them. And I am a very well taught English speaker, so I have learned it from a very young age. So, although it is not my native language, it is quite fair to say that I am more comfortable using it in my daily life routine than any other language. So, if that's where you want to be too, then you are very welcome here and you will be making a great choice choosing me as your tutor. For I will dedicate all my time and attention to you, dear student, in a very friendly and creative environment where I will be using some personalized learning methods that you will definitely love and that will be customized to your needs and preferences. So rest assured that I will not be leaving your side until you are satisfied and until you have improved your listening, speaking, and writing skills. So start your trial and see for yourself. I really cannot wait for us to begin this amazing journey together because not only I will be your tutor, but you can consider me as your friend who genuinely wants to reach your full potentials. Because learning doesn't have to be an obligation, right? It can be a choice and it can also be fun. And I trust you and I are going to have so much fun together. Hope to see you soon.